Looking for how to shed some pounds of flesh naturally and refresh your body? Well, let me whip up this powerful weight loss juice using just 4 items, and I'm sure they are easily accessible. You also enjoy it. These are lemon, ginger, cucumber, and of course pineapple. You can use very ripe one or just any other pineapple. Okay, and of course, you know the work of lemon and cucumber together can never be overemphasized. This juice is not only refreshing, but it's packed with nutrients and also tastes so amazing. Pineapple is not only packed with vitamin C nutrients, but it also detoxifies the system, so as cucumber and lemon. So while trying to shed some pounds of weight, you also clean your system. So for this video, the next thing I'll do is to wash off everything. Of course, you need to add salt in order to take off all the available germs or all the germs as much as you can. Then proceed to slicing them in smaller bits. It's always advisable to cut them in smaller bits that your juicer or your blender can be able to process easily. I like to take this combo first thing in the morning because ginger helps to improve digestion and also reduces appetite. Do you know that ginger suppresses hunger, making you have this full feel for a longer time? Do you know? You can ask Gogo and come back to thank me later, okay? Pineapple, on the other hand, contains also a lot of nutrients. It helps inflammation and also help to reduce fat. Yes, it helps in fat metabolism. You heard me right. It also lowers cholesterol. If you don't know, now you know. It's very, very rich in fiber, which promotes better digestion and also keep you full for a longer time because of the fiber content of pineapple. Of course, if you eat pineapple daily, you will know that if you have cholesterol issues, it will also go down. If you have big tummy, it will help you to reduce that fat tummy. If you eat, after eating, you can use your pineapple as a dessert. Yes, it helps in digestion. Okay, nothing on pineapple is a waste. Just the peel can be also used for making your zobo juice, and you know that. Up here I have the recipe of how to make a very refreshing zobo using your pineapple peels. Please don't forget to watch it as you watch this one through. Okay, so watching this video up to this time, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share. Just know that I love you from this end. Right, so guys, this process is quite simple. Just get all your ingredients, wash them thoroughly and juice it using your juicer or your blender. If you're using blender, you have to blend everything till they are very smooth. Then you use your cheese bag to extract the juice. So but if you have your juicer, it's quite simple. As you can see, the chaff are being separated from the main juice, and this is it. Guys, this is very simple to make. Don't give me an excuse why you should not shed some weight, why your tummy should be bloated, why you should have so much fat tummy. No, that's not baby girl this 2024. It also goes the same for baby boys. Okay, so you just have to slay and take care of yourself. You are not just only trying to shed weight, but you need to live healthier. Okay, someone who finds it very difficult to exercise, this is it. This is what you really need. Take these ingredients, add them together, blend or juice, drink them together. But if you can be eating pineapple on its own and cucumber on its own, then take the lemon juice, is still fine. Guys, can you see how this thing is? We are just good to go. I'll transfer them into my can and then refrigerate. I take a shot every morning before leaving for my exercise. Please tell me, will you be trying this? Do you think it's worth trying? Let's get fit together, can't we? Or can we? Yes, I know we can. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. This is me gulping the cup of freshness. Guys, you really need to look good and take care of yourself. Take care of your health. Nobody else will. And take care of your body. That's the only place you have to live in. See you in my next one. Bye.